Hello, and a very good morning to you. It is the Friday before Labor Day weekend, and today I have taken the day off my corporate gig because I am flying to Las Vegas to attend the Plant Based Party, which is a conference all about plant based eating and partly as a memorial to the late, great Dr. John McDougall, who wrote The Starch Solution. He was one of my physicians, and I'm very honored to be able to go and attend this event. So, in preparation this morning, as I'm heading out to the airport soon, I'm having a light breakfast. I have long since finished my morning beverage of my kombucha blend, which I made a little video, and I will put that up if anyone's interested in seeing that. I've got some sourdough muffins that I've needed to clean out my produce drawer. So I'm having a very generous helping of avocado toast. So real simple, just smashed avocado, a little bit of lemon, salt, pepper, a tomato. So that'll be my little mini meal before I head to the airport. Since my flight will be during around the lunchtime to clean out more produce, I'm making another plant-based breakfast sandwich. Now this amazing looking thing is a lion's mane mushroom. I had never tried one of these before. They're usually pretty hard to find, and they were actually on clearance at the store. They were just reduced in price, and so I thought, okay, found a neato recipe. It was really interesting to prepare this because it was massive and poofy, and then I smashed it down and did kind of a dry saute and then made a simple oil-free marinade to cook this in. So to another sourdough English muffin, I have a little bit of the spicy brown mustard, some all fruit raspberry jam because I like the savory sweet combo. So this is going on cold because this is just going to go in my carry-on as a little cool lunch. And then this is a combination of little leftover greens I had, some baby spinach and arugula. So that will get all mushed together, and that will be my sandwich. With that, while I'm on the plane, I had some pluots from the farmer's market, so a combination with a plum and an apricot. This is from a local orchard. They are delicious. I've got more veggies. I was cleaning out of those, so a few little veggies to eat. And no, I won't be that person on the plane crunching celery right next to someone. I will eat these at a different time when I have a little more time by myself to crunch, crunch, crunch. Carrots, little grape tomatoes. And then, if you can see, yes, on a plant-based diet, you can have potato chips that are oil-free. I used the mandolin, and I actually cooked these last night in the microwave. I'll put a link in the comments to actually show you how easy these are to make, and then I spray them with malt vinegar after they're done and sprinkle on just a teeny tiny bit of sea salt afterwards. I do eat salt. I'm just very cautious on my portions, and with all of this I will have a little sweet treat. This is something that I love. Black licorice, love, love, love. Doesn't always love my teeth though. 2 or 3 pieces of this goes a long way with me. Now everyone has their own opinion on sugar. I am able to moderate and also take breaks from refined sugar. So this is just one of my favorite treats, and then it also encourages me to floss more often and make sure that I clean my teeth. So anyway, long story short, this is just a sample of some of my plant-based goodies. Very economical, very satisfying. This will keep me full until I get to Vegas and have the opportunity to go to this conference, which is also catered. And I'm going to take pictures and shoot some video of that in case anyone's curious. So have a great day. Dine well.